Hey guys, Michael Price from Kingdom Freedom Academy. Super excited to bring to you another chapter from this amazing book, The Quantum Leap Strategy. If you have not bought this book yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's been invaluable. So today I'm going to share with you one chapter. Again, you can see these chapters are 2 pages. They're very short. Most of, at least half of what I have read, I've ended up highlighting. So here we go. Today's chapter is called Think Beyond What Common Sense Would Allow. Great chapter title, right? Webster's describes common sense as ordinary good sense or sound practical judgment. What could be wrong with that? Why does the quantum leap strategy insist that you think beyond what common sense would allow? Well, let's dig deeper. Ordinary, according to the dictionary, means customary, usual, regular, normal, familiar, unexceptional, common, relatively poor or inferior. Wow. That doesn't sound too promising. Webster's also describes common sense as sound practical judgment. Now, that has a good ring to it. Sounds solid, dependable, but look up the meaning of practical and you'll find it means obtained through practice or action. In other words, common sense is judgment based on past experience. That to me was huge. And not only highlighted that, I highlighted that nice and wide so I don't miss that. The quantum leap strategy, in contrast, is based on uncommon sense. U Squared, which is another book that Dr. Pritchard has written, which is going from U to U Squared. So squaring your potential or taking a quantum leap in your potential is about what you can do. So here's the distinction again. Common sense is about the past, what you've done, what makes sense. Okay, quantum leap is what can be done in the future. So again, I'm going to read that last sentence. The quantum leap strategy, in contrast, is based on uncommon sense. U Squared is about what you can do now. And that doesn't necessarily have much at all to do with what you have done in the past. When you boil it all down, common sense is just what it sounds like. It's what people today commonly believe. And common sense is full of dumb, limiting beliefs. Wow, pretty powerful. It has also been that way. Common sense used to say the world is flat. That people can't fly. Bleed people if you want to heal them. The idea of a man on the moon was once pure science fiction. So was TV and the idea of a heart transplant. Common sense still lies to you. That's profound. Common sense, let that sink in. Common sense still lies to you. It focuses on the obstacles, reviews what you've done in the past, studies the normal achievement patterns of people in general, and then tells you what you can commonly expect to achieve. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Rely too much on common sense and you can expect to see common results. Quantum leaps require you to start thinking about what you want instead of what common sense says is the reasonable thing for you to expect. Uncommon sense says you can accomplish astounding things. What would be a goal well beyond the boundary of the probably, far beyond the obvious next logical step? So my invitation to you is, instead of like when I have this book, I'm just reading 2 pages a day. So instead of going to the next chapter, pause, step away from the computer if you're near your computer, whatever you do where you're focused on working, and take some quiet time. I like to ask the Lord, what specifically do you want me to do based on what I've heard today? So please share that in the comments somewhere near this video so we can all learn from each other. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow on our next chapter of quantum leap strategy. God bless you.